Greetings, Milky Way lovers. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, mesmerized by the swirling band of stars that stretches across the heavens? For many, the Milky Way is a source of endless fascination, a reminder of the vastness and wonder of the universe. Buckle up, because this trip will take you from the remote deserts of Atacama, Socotra, Jordan, and Oman to the lost landscapes of Patagonia, Australia, and New Zealand. Along the way, you will pass by spectacular glaciers, volcanoes, mountains, and beaches, always with the Milky Way's atmospheric fireworks lighting up the sky. Lightning Lake, Tom Rae, Aoraki, Mount Cook National Park, New Zealand was the location for this stunning image by Tom Rae. Blue Lagoon, Yuri Beletsky. Noted astrophotographer Yuri Beletsky took this image of the Milky Way's center in the Atacama Desert in Chile. Bluff Hut. Rachel Roberts took this image above in Mungo River Valley, West Coast, New Zealand, in a region only accessible by hiking or a helicopter. Desert Bloom, Marcin Zając. Polish photographer Marcin Zając's Desert Bloom captures a stunning juxtaposition. In the foreground, vibrant wildflowers bloom beneath the iconic Three Sisters hoodoos of Goblin Valley State Park, Utah. Above, the Milky Way stretches across the dark sky, a mesmerizing counterpoint to the earthly beauty below. Karadris, Mate Malakar. Among the stunning entries is Karadris, Milky Way Arch above Vršić Pass by Mate Malakar. This photo captures the Milky Way stretching majestically across the night sky, with the Vršić Pass in Slovenia adding a dramatic foreground. It's a testament to the photographer's planning and the beauty of remote locations. Blooming Bottle Tree. Rositsa Dimitrova captured this stunning image of the Milky Way behind a bottle tree on Socotra, an island in the Gulf of Aden off the coast of Somali, Yemen, and Oman, under a Bortle 1 dark sky, the darkest there is. Mungo Dreamtime, John Rutter. This Mars-like landscape is the shores of ancient Lake Mungo, housing the oldest human remains outside Africa, a significant site for all humankind. Its remote location grants it a Bortle 1 sky, allowing you to stand where the first Australians once did and gaze at the same sky they beheld 100,000 years ago. The beauty of the arid, wind-carved landscape and the untouched sky is only eclipsed by the rich history of this area. The Vanity of Life, Mihail Minkov. The concept behind this shot is to highlight the stark contrast between the vastness of the cosmos and the minuscule nature of humanity. The composition intentionally draws the viewer's focus to a small figure, underscoring our insignificance in the grand scheme of the universe, while the majestic Milky Way core dominates the background. A Clear Welcome, Francesco Dall'Olmo. Contrary to expectations of cold, rain, and wind, the photographer's initial encounter with these landscapes was unusual, nearly 3 days of clear skies. Reaching the lagoon around 7 a.m., the photographer immediately captured shots of the sky. Shortly afterward, they photographed the foreground, where twilight had already set in. This clear welcome gifted them with a rare photo of Fitzroy, framed by the Milky Way Arch. Starry Hoodoo Wonderland, Stephanie T. This photograph captures the spirit of camaraderie within the night photography community. The Nightscaper Photo Conference in Kanab, Utah, brought together photographers, many meeting for the first time and others reconnecting from previous gatherings. The conference fostered a sense of community among those who share a passion for photography, the wonder of the night sky, astronomy, and the beauty of dark skies. Starlight therapy cave in Shea, Aoraki, Mount Cook National Park has a long history of bringing joy and fostering interesting stories for visitors. This particular visit was no different. Mental health challenges had left a visitor feeling low and lacking motivation for the climb. Yet, the park offered a chance to kickstart a recovery. Road to Winter Paradise, Andrea Kersey. The night of December 15th finds us at Paso Giao, where temperatures hover around -8 degrees Celsius with strong winds, making it feel even colder. This vista, meticulously planned from conception to execution, was a long-desired capture. Fortunately, heavy snowfall the previous day left the terrain undisturbed, revealing pristine wind-sculpted snow patterns. Rainbow Valley, Bailey Farley. A recent journey to the central Australian outback captured the harsh vastness of the region and its incredibly dark southern night skies. This image showcases the breathtaking Rainbow Valley Conservation Reserve, where the southern Milky Way stretches majestically across a landscape of colorful sandstone formations. Multicolored up and down, Carrie Letellier. Rainbow Valley, nestled nearly 3,200 meters above sea level in the Atacama Desert's Domeco mountain range, evokes comparisons to Mordor in some areas. Under a Bortle 1 sky in late October, the vast expanse overhead is breathtaking. Zodiacal light and Gegenschein are visible alongside intense airglow. The valley's geology is unique, showcasing a rich mineral heritage with a base of ochre-red clay, a strip of chalky white salt, and a topping of moss-colored volcanic tuff. The Kingdom of Perun, Tervel Kutsev, Bulgaria, despite its small area, boasts a remarkably diverse landscape. With a total of 39 mountains, Perun stands out for its dramatic rocky peaks. Virin, 2,914 meters. The highest peak in Perun and composed of marble, dominates the central panorama. The mountain's beauty has long attracted mountaineers, and its clear skies make it a natural favorite for astrophotography. Sauzeo, Alexander Forst, Bulgaria, despite its small area, boasts a remarkably diverse landscape. With a total of 39 mountains, Perun stands out for its dramatic rocky peaks. Virin, 2,914 meters. The highest peak in Perun and composed of marble, dominates the central panorama. The mountain's beauty has long attracted mountaineers, and its clear skies make it a natural favorite for astrophotography. Hope you found these images inspiring, and that they encourage you to go out and have incredible adventures photographing our galaxy. If you're interested in shooting the Milky Way, planning is key, and the best way to prepare your shootings is by downloading our free Milky Way calendars, which help you figure out the best days and times to capture the galaxy according to your location. You can find the download link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on future content.